Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about sandblasting. Sandblasting is the process of using compressed air in order to send a streamline of abrasive towards the surface of a material. What that does is with the impact, it's going to clean, smooth, and sometimes shape the material based on what it is. So we're back after using a VH2000 dry blast cabinet. We chose to use that cabinet because it had aluminum oxide in it. We chose that abrasive because we were removing rust and paint, and that's going to prep this surface for more coatings. Using compressed air, it's going to send the streamline of aluminum oxide against this surface. Pretty quickly, it's going to remove that rust or contaminants, but you can use it for cleaning or reshaping the surface if that's something that you're looking for. Keep us in mind, 828-202-5563. We'd love to help out with whatever questions you have on dry blast cabinets. Thank you so much.